Assalamu alaikum. I'm welcoming you all to the Dubai Expo 2020 Pakistan Pavilion. Today I'm going to share all the details about the Pakistan Pavilion at the Dubai Expo. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to share the video. Pakistan Pavilion has been divided into 8 sections. This is the first section that shows that history and civilization of Pakistan till 1947. This is the Sheesh Mahal house of the Mughal era. This is beautifully designed by using the mirror and is completely handmade. After this hall, there is another hall that shows and promotes the landscape and tourism of Pakistan. This hall has 3 screens that shows the glaciers, mountains, hills, animals and the beauty of Pakistan. This hall also displays the clothes of the Kailash tribe. As we move forward, there's a big hall that represents the religious harmony in Pakistan, how they live together, the unity, the love and care that they have. They have also promoted the Sufism and the religions in Pakistan. Sufism. About 60% of Pakistani Muslims regard themselves as Sufi followers. Much of the literature, poetry and music associated with Pakistan is inspired by Sufism. Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is a site of ancient ruins in Sindh. Pakistan built approximately 4500 years ago. It was discovered in 1921 and has become an important archaeological find because it once housed the Indus Valley civilization, one of the earliest settlements in the world's history. As we walk out of this section, we can see the beautiful structure of Pakistan Pavilion from both the sides. The section that we are entering is now Naya Pakistan. This hall has a big screen that is showing beautiful footages in order to attract the investors to invest in the Naya Pakistan. They have also displayed the pink salt and a big table that everyone can enjoy. Now we are entering to the Billion Trees project, which is a great initiative by the Prime Minister of Pakistan. This project is displayed by the laser lights, which are represented as bamboo trees. As we move on the other hand, between the laser lights, a sound of birds chirping will be produced, which means that instead of cutting down the trees, new trees should be planted. Now we are entering in a bazaar. This bazaar has 40 products of Pakistan which the visitors can purchase.
This is our Ajrak style printed scarf, and it's from Koil, and it's made of hand printed, and it has gone through 22 process.
Okay.
And this is our blue pottery glass ceramic birds. It's famous in Sindh, Hala Sindh.
Okay.
And this is our pink salt barbecue slab. It has 84 minerals and it's good for health.
Okay.
And this is our hand embroidered cushions covers. It's from Indus Heritage Trust, and it is made by unprivileged women in Pakistan by Indus Heritage Trust, which provides work for women to work for their livelihood.
Okay.
And this is our camel bone pens, which is made of camel bones. And this is our Ajrak block printed tablecloths and napkins. Khatati boxes with Urdu alphabets. It's made of pure wood. And this is our Chitakari box. Chitakari is an art. It's a craving of stones, particularly stones which is called as slate stones.
Okay.
It's mined from Gangar mountain region of Pakistan near Haripur. And this is our Pital ka pyala. It's a serving dish. It's with removable brass stand.
Just pure petal.
It's pure betel, yeah.
Okay.
And this is our champa platters. It's called champa platters. Actually, why it's called champa platters? Because it's a famous flower in Pakistan. The leaf is made of that flower. It's inlaid in the platter. And this is our copper bowls, made of copper and steel. And this is our raw gemstones bracelets, raw gemstones earrings, and raw gemstones pendant. It's made of real gemstones by Brain Candy. And this is our copper bangles made of pure copper. The color won't fade away. And this is our embroidered cushions.
This is the end of the Pakistan Pavilion at the Dubai Expo 2020.